It's dark, the rain is pouring down. I pull into a little town, just looking for some food, maybe board and a room. I find the bar, I grabbed a stool, a beer, and ordered food. Looking around I see a mix of the locality, most just enjoying drinks. Then my eyes are fixed. One lone soul eating his food, ignoring all, transfixed in his own time. He surely was a sailor, but what did I know? What was to transpire? I was hardly ready for the words. Then I heard him mutter, "That must be a pretty ride. You just got off, sir. I can see the military in your stride. I know your Navy, what's your stride?" I turned my head and saw the most gnarled man of all my life, covered in scars and tattoos, staring at me. I was in strife. "You talking to me?" "Yeah, I'm talking to you. Pull up a seat and buy me a drink. I have a tale for you." This old-timer was pretty banged up, looked out of a buck and down on his luck. So I pulled up that chair and gave him a stare. "What's this about, old man? Do they still teach you naval history?" He asked. "That they do," I answered, though only in parts. I had a lot of reading to come to a feeling that I knew nothing. Fill my glass and I will impart some wisdom to you. Intrigued, I granted his request. I ordered a round. He soon held a full beer and toasted. "Let me tell you of another time, one that is not yours but sure is mine. A time when men were men, a time when lead filled the sky, trying to kill planes like they were flies. I was on board her, the North Carolina. We were making good knots, screening the Enterprise. We were not in disguise. Then they came out of the sun. It was cold and cloudy on that day. No fighters were up for the fray. We were caught off guard, but our flak opened up hard. Not just the Orlicons, but the quads, and then the 5 inches opened up. Man, that was a din. We were just behind the Big E when the first wave came in. Everything on the ship opened up, nothing gave in. I saw Jap planes take hits and die. The Big E took 3 hits, but she lived, that's no lies. Our flak wall was so thick, we got a message asking if we hit. "Are we on fire?" "No," came the reply. "That's just our anti-aircraft fire." We held off those stubborn sons of bitches for over an hour. They kept coming in, but we kept firing. Damn brave men we were shooting down. They all died, and so did some of our own. In the end, we were struggling to keep up with the Big E for speed, but we made damn sure we gave her every bit of gunfire support she could need. She came out pretty unscathed, as did we. Lucky, I guess, but probably not for the Japanese. I looked up at the old man. He was holding up his glass to those at sea. That day we gave them hell and made them pay. I drank to this old sailor's toast, put my mug down and rose. "Sorry, old timer, I have to go, but give my love to the NC though. I only wish I could have served with men as brave as yours. However, I salute you. Our country will miss you." And as I left, I heard his muttered breath, "Son, you haven't seen anything yet, but I commend you. Our country will miss you too."